Hey guys, this is Ankit and I welcome to all of you on our channel QWSCAP. In this video, I am going to talk about Mitsogo hiring process. So Mitsogo is started the hiring for 2025 passing out students for on-campus drives, and in this video we will be discussing about pen paper coding assessment and what are the questions asked in the previous interviews. So don't miss anything in this video. See this video till the end. You can watch this video in 1.25x speed, but don't skip anything. Okay, now we will be discussing in this video what is the job role and salary they are going to give you, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the selection process, and what they will ask in pen paper based coding assessment. So real coding questions I have bring for you, which is going to ask in the coding assessment, and technical interview questions what they are going to ask you. Okay, so everything we are going to discuss. So first of all, we will discuss job role and salary package. The job role is software engineer and salary will be 4 LPA, and 4 LPA fixed CTC plus food they will be provide you, cab facility and medical insurance also they will provide you. So it's a very good decent package. Okay, now let's see the eligibility criteria. Should be pursuing your BTech, ME, MTech, all branches are eligible, and MCA. Okay, so these are the degrees are eligible for this Mitsogo hiring, and 10th and 12th you should have minimum 70 percentage, CGPA should have minimum 7 CGPA, and you should not have more than 3 backlogs, and location they are going to give you either Chennai, Kochi or Bangalore. Any location they can give based on their requirements. Also they have a training agreement which is a 24 months agreement, and in that 6 months will be your probation period and 18 months will be non probation period, and in that they will going to pay you the 4 LP package, and also they will be giving you increment every year in that. Okay, so that's how it will work. So coming to selection process, you have to understand very carefully selection process. Okay, how they are going to take you for the QA role or developer DevOps role. So first of all, aptitude test will be there for all people. Okay, so all students will be attempting the aptitude test. So in that what can happen, either you will perform average in the aptitude test, either you will perform the good in this aptitude test. Okay, if you perform average in aptitude test, you are going for QA role. Okay, and if you perform good in this, then you are going to developers role or DevOps role. Okay, so for QA role there will be MCQ assessment for as a second round. Okay, second round will be MCQ assessment for the QA role. For developers and DevOps, second round what will be there, that will be coding assessment. Okay, so coding assessment will be there for the developer and DevOps as a second round. Okay, after that for QA role there will be interview. Okay, third round will be interview, and for developers also interview will be there. So this is the way they are hiring for the QA role and developers and DevOps role. I hope you understand. So from aptitude you will go either MCQ assessment or either you will go for the pen paper coding assessment. It depends on your aptitude test. Okay, so you have to perform in aptitudes very well if you want to go for developers and DevOps role. Okay, so we will discuss how you can perform well in the aptitude test. So coming to round 1 aptitude test, I have given some of the important topics which is can ask in this aptitude test. So just prepare, these are the important topics coming to quants, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning. Okay, so these are the some of the topics I have bring for you. Just go through these topics and prepare accordingly. Okay, coming to second round for QA role, MCQ assessment will be there. So in the MCQ assessment, shortlisted student after the completion of the aptitude test will have 20 minutes online MCQ assessment. So the duration will be 20 minutes. Okay, and those who pass the online test will proceed with the interview process, that is the round 3 for the QA role. Okay, so I hope you understand. So what are the MCQ assessment questions you have to focus on? So here we have bring some of the topics. So just go through the C programming, data structure, algorithm, machine learning, object oriented programming, and computer science fundamentals like database management system, okay, operating system. So these are the topics you can go through that. Okay, there is a interview bit one website is there. In that you can find some of them MCQ questions based on these topics. So just go through that and just prepare for your MCQ assessment. Now coming to round 2, pen and paper coding assessment for the developer and DevOps role. Okay, so if you perform very good in the aptitude test, then you will be attempting this coding assessment. Okay, in this there will be going to give you two coding assessments, so coding assessment 1 and coding assessment 2. In that coding assessment 1 there will be the 3 hours time will be there, and coding assessment 2 there will be the 2 hours time will be there. Okay, so in that what you have to do, you have to bring your pen and paper, as well as the you have to bring your laptop also, because they will ask you to write the logic on the paper, and after they will ask you to implement in your laptop in the online compiler or somewhere. So that's how round will work. Okay, now what are the coding questions they can ask in this round? So we have bring so many coding questions for you guys. So as you can see here, how would you implement binary search, how would you find the second largest number in array, find the greatest common divisor, perfect number, calculate frequency of character in a string. So many coding questions we have mentioned in this slide. So just take the screenshot and practice these coding questions. So in this slide 14 questions, in this slide nearly 6 questions are there, and in this slide nearly 4 questions are there. So total 24 questions we have mentioned here. So we have done a lot of hard work for you to mention all these things, collect these all the coding questions. So please like on this video, one like, please like on this video, and please take screenshot of this coding questions. It will be really helpful for you, and practice as much as possible these all 24 coding questions. Okay, now coming to, if you want to take one-to-one mentorship from me or mock interviews, okay, for your how you are doing, how you are going to perform in your interviews, then you can ping me on this WhatsApp number, or you can mail me on this mail ID. Okay, now coming to interviews. So round 3 will be HR and managerial interview. In this, some HR type of questions they will be asking you. So HR type of question, in the sense they will be asking you what is your strength, what is your weakness, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years. So these are the some of the general type of questions they will be asking you to check your positive mindset and vision for your life. So they will see in you, that's why they will going to ask you such type of questions. So I have nearly mentioned here 38 questions. So as you can see here, 38 questions I have mentioned nearly. So just go through these 38 questions. This is more than enough. 100% they will going to ask you from these questions only. Okay, so that's how you can prepare for your interview. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please like this video, comment on this video, share your feedback on this video, what next I can bring on the this Mitsogo hiring, and what you want from the Mitsogo hiring. Everything you can comment on this comment box, and please subscribe this channel. We are bringing many more content like this on this YouTube channel, so that you can prepare for your placements. Thank you so much guys for seeing this video. Thanks again. Bye bye.